Then bikin kita hasil big visuals. Isi ini mana? Masih apa ni? Sini kan. Mana? Ini objek kita tentang. What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. So in this vlog I want to share a little wisdom, a little something about, love what you do and do what you love. Anyway, I'm on my way to the brewery on a Sunday, on my off day, and yeah, I just want to share a little story about my brewing journey and something that I love dearly, which is brewing, and yeah, which have helped me a lot. So yeah, let's go. And I will be talking a lot, I will be yapping a lot in this vlog. Basically it's pretty much boring, nothing to show you guys. I'll be going to football match later on. It's just a quick drop by to the brewery to make sure everything is ready, make sure everything is alright for the next week. And yeah, let's go. Currently on my private bus, Mercedes-Benz. Booked the whole bus just to go to the brewery. I brewed this on last Wednesday and it is going well. Fermenting. Let's go. Ouch. Good to go. Anyway, all good, all done, ready for Monday. So this is just a thought that came into my mind while I was taking the bus right here, so I decided to vlog it. So yeah, like I said in the previous vlog, this job is not the best paying job. This job, I don't get OT for doing all these extra stuff, but oops, I've been doing this for the past 5 years and this is something that I enjoy doing it. But like I said, I don't get paid much, do this and that. All that complaint takes long hours and stuff like that. But because of brewing, I've met a lot of incredible people. I've made a lot of very good connections, and yeah, I think it's gonna pay off, sometimes down the road. I'm pretty sure about that, because last year when I went back to Myanmar, it was just full of opportunities. And yeah, and the thing is, not a lot of people are doing this, not a lot of Burmese people are doing this, so it's like a niche market for me, and it was pretty easy to get investors or get whatever things that I want. So yeah, it's gonna pay off one day. It's gonna, I don't know when, but yeah, I'm just gonna meet a lot more people just because I keep doing this, day in, day out. I love doing this. I don't find that for like a lot of other jobs. I mean, YouTube, yes, vlogging, yes, but I do a lot of other odd jobs and I don't find that kind of joy, that kind of commitment into that. But this brewing thing and maybe later on football have, a lot of impact on me, so I just want to share with you guys. It's gonna be another loud noise. Okay. This place is like a ghost town here on a Sunday. The buses don't come that often, and I'm just waiting and waiting. There's no one really here, only crows. Hey bro. Late for the game. I am so lost. I couldn't find the entrance of the football field, but yeah, I think it's this way. Alright, finally.
In case, you know.
俾到咧。
我話而家嗰度邊會咯
Eat.
我拎出嚟都俾你တို့。
哎喂，明眼的，我他妈牛的几点的，明眼的。
Alright, so this little vlog is to share with you guys that whatever that you guys are passionate about, just keep doing it, because one day it will pay off. Definitely, because yeah, like I said, I'll share with you guys more when I have like concrete evidence, but I think a lot of things that, like, you know, I love doing it and I carry on doing it like without me getting any benefits like in the past, but right now I'm seeing the benefits and the rewards. I'm starting to gain the rewards. So let's say photography, right? I love to take photos just for fun. That's one of my passion, and I'm starting to make some income out of it, and slowly it's like within this year it's starting to grow. Same as football, I play every week, but I didn't expect to get anything out of it. Just go there for my fitness, but I think I have a lot of like connections and a lot of like, let's just say, I think the best way to put it is like referrals. A lot of people are just giving me channels to grow my income. A lot of people are, hey, you can do photography here, you can do photography here. They keep sending me clients, and same as beer, keep making a lot of incredible people and just doing good stuff. So just keep doing whatever that you're passionate about. I think as long as you don't stop, one day you have the opportunity to make it big. I'm not there yet, to be honest, but I think I am on the right track, and that's why I wanted to make this vlog. I think a few more years from now, yes, I'm gonna definitely say that I have made it, but yeah, right now I'm still on the right track, and yeah, just wanna give you guys a little encouragement if you're feeling down, because honestly I feel like whenever I do stuff, I feel like crap, it's not working out. Why am I doing this? I've been brewing for the past 5 years, got nothing out of it, just a salary, right? That's not really the case. If you make use of it, I think there's quite a huge opportunity. Photography as well, right? YouTube as well. Like I've been posting up vlogs for the past 5 years. I think only last year that I was able to monetize and then starting to grow my channel. But at the same time, when I look back at my older vlogs, I can see that like the way I talk, the way I sound, the way I look have changed a lot, and yeah, it's just gonna improve further down the line. So yeah, just keep doing what you're doing. You will make it one day eventually. So yeah, anyway, this video is just that, really short. I just want to put it out there for you guys and for myself as well. So yeah, that is it, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Hopefully something more fun, not me yapping, but yeah, see you guys. Oops. Good girl. 힘었나? 당연히